hello, these are my teachers, Leonie and Benson. So now they're going to tell us a few Lusoga words and phrases. Okay.
Good morning.
Sibiotie Nabo. Sibiotie Unyabo.
Yes.
Okay. And good afternoon. Osibiotie Unyabo. Okay. And Nyabo is for woman.
When you want to say good morning, you say Osizotie Unyabo.
Osizotie Unyabo.
Wasizotie Unyabo.
Wasizotie Unyabo.
You want to say good morning.
What is this? You have sleep well? How do you?
Somebody says like this, I have not sleep well. Somebody says like this, I've sleep well.
And how do you say please?
Bambi.
Bambi. Please give me.
Bambi mpa.
Bambi mpa.
Bambi mpa.
And please come.
Bambi da.
Bambi da.
Bambi da.
Bambi da. And what else did we learn? What else did we learn?
Blend. Mpa.
Mpa. What is this? Kane.
Ndazikapu. Lend me your pen. Ndazikapu penio.
Ndazikapenio.
Ndazikapu.
Nda.
Zikapu.
Zikapo.
Zikapu.
Zikako.
Penio.
Penio.
Lend me your pen.
Okay.
Please lend me your pen.
Bambi.
Bambi. Ndazikapu penio.
Okay. And what else? We were talking about some other things. We were saying some other things before. Which ones? Kedi, something. No?
Leka.
Ah. How did we say? Look at this woman. She's beautiful. Boyanokuzo.
Bona.
Bona.
Mukazoyo.
Bona mukazoyo. Mulungi.
Oba bona omusadoyo.
Bona omusadoyo.
If she hema.
Okay.
Bona omusadoyo mulungi.
Boyanusado. Bona musado.
Bona omusadoyo mulungi.
Bona musado. Bona. Musada. Mulungi. Okay. And how do you say house? Just house.
Enumba.
Numba. Numba. And the boy?
Mulenzi.
And girl? Muwala. And baby?
Mwana.
Mulungi.
Bona omwana oyo mulungi.
And what else can we learn? What else can we learn?
Mpa ndazikapu ekintu kyo.
Okay. That is enough for today. I think I have enough material.